by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Welcome back, my beautiful people. So first off, we're going to put our headband on as always to get the hair out of our face, and then we're going to prime our face with this Marc Jacobs primer. Ta-da! Face primed. And then I'm going to moisten my face, and then after that I'm going to grab my beauty blender and my Giorgio Armani foundation and put it all over my face. And this foundation is medium coverage, so if you want full coverage, this one's not the way to go. As you can see, I used a mask and my face didn't like it. Yay me. Anyways, yeah, you blend it all on your face. You can add a little bit more to your imperfections, but I don't want to look cake face. And then I'm going to use this concealer and concealer under my eyes. Hide all them secrets. Ugh, I had Simba and Khaleesi hair, and if you don't know who those are my two pets on my beauty blender. Thanks, guys. And then I'm going to grab my powder from Marc Jacobs and my Sephora number 99 brush, and I'm going to put all that powder all over where I put the concealer to set it in place so it won't move. Won't fade off, won't crease. Perfect. And now I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow stuff, and this is the iconic one I got from my Boxycharm, and I really liked it. And yeah, I have a love-hate relationship with my brows. They're looking a little rough right now. I have to go get them done, but let's ignore that and keep going. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Dior contour thing and my JH06 brush, and I'm gonna bronze all over with that. Bronze, 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 bronze your face, bronze, bronze, let's fake it till we make it. So yeah, I'm bronzing, sorry, got distracted. And then I grabbed the darker color in that Dior thing. Oh, no. First, I contoured my nose too, and I grabbed the JH36 brush. It's a little bit smaller. Well, a lot smaller. And then to contour, I used the shade that was right next to the shade that I'm using. And it used the brush JH07. It's more precise. And then I went back in with the first color and my Morphe M504 brush and just put that on my crease to have a little dimension and it won't look flat. Then I went with this Jouer blush set and I put blush on my face so I can bring color to my face, and you can use the JH05 from Morphe, obviously. And then I went in with my MAC highlighter palette and I used the Morphe JH09 brush and I highlighted my face, nose, put highlighter everywhere, girl, trying to look healthy. And then I curled my lashes. Ugh, there's like doggy and kitty hair everywhere, and for some reason they like to land on my lashes. And then I use my Pat McGrath mascara. Ooh, I love this mascara. And I mascara my lashes. Mascara. And I'm gonna go in with my World lip liner and lip line my whole lips. Fill them in. You can use any color you want, not just this one. You can use whatever lipstick, but I just feel like this one's like perfect for me. And I'm gonna spritz my face with my Morphe setting spray again. And if you could leave the look like this, but I'm a little extra, so I'm gonna put lashes on, and these are Skeeto lashes, and these are in Lash Lorette. And there I am applying that, and then you'll be done.